The soil is dry. The soil is dry.
I am digging the ground. I am digging the ground. I am making small holes. I am making small holes. I am taking seeds. I am taking seeds.
These are cucumber seeds. These are cucumber seeds. I am putting the seeds in the soil. I am putting the seeds in the soil.
I am pressing the soil gently. I am pressing the soil gently.
I am watering the soil. I am watering the soil. The water is soaking in. The water is soaking in.
I see small plants. I see small plants. The plants are growing. The plants are growing. The plants are getting bigger. The plants are getting bigger. I am removing weeds. I am removing weeds.
The plants look healthy. The plants look healthy. I see flowers on the plants.
Why?
I see flowers on the plants.
I see small cucumbers. I see small cucumbers.
The cucumbers are green. The cucumbers are green. The onions are growing too. The onions are growing too.
I am watering the plants daily. I am watering the plants daily.
The onions are growing under the soil. The onions are growing under the soil.
I am picking the cucumbers. I am picking the cucumbers. I am pulling out the onions. I am pulling out the onions.
The onions are big. The onions are big.
I am collecting all vegetables. I am collecting all vegetables.
The basket is full. The basket is full. I am carrying the basket. I am carrying the basket.
I am going back home. I am going back home.
I am reaching my house. I am reaching my house. I am washing the vegetables. I am washing the vegetables. The vegetables are clean. The vegetables are clean. I am cutting the cucumbers. I am cutting the cucumbers. I am peeling the onions. I am peeling the onions. I am sitting to eat. I am sitting to eat. I am eating my food. I am eating my food. I feel peaceful. I feel peaceful.
I am taking rest. I am taking rest. I am happy with my work. I am happy with my work.